We have another great update from Squarespace on the website builder, and that is the ability to add anchor links easily. This is something that I've struggled with for years, having to create code for them. Now we can do it without code blocks. It's seamless. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. I'll drop some links below that you might find helpful, but let's go ahead and dive in. All right, I'm here in my Sway template for service providers. I'll drop a link below if you want to check out my template shop. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to add anchor links to pages now. So let's hop over to the services page here, and you'll see that I've got two different service offerings. Well, what if I wanted to add links to skip to those really quickly at the top? Let's go ahead and edit this page. And the first thing that I can do now is when I go to edit section and I scroll down, there is a new field for an anchor link name. And I'm just going to call this service one. You may want to add something that's a little more descriptive. And I'm going to copy that link. Now I can pop back up to the top and add text with a link or a button block. I'm going to try it out with a button block here and just title this service one. Obviously, you would want to use something that is a little more descriptive, but I now have pasted in my URL for the anchor link. All right, let's style this button a little nicer, and I'm going to actually make it fill and make it a little larger here. Let's go ahead and copy that over and make those a little closer together. So this will be service two. And let's create our next link below. Service offering two. We're in this section now. Let's go ahead and click edit section and scroll down. And I'm just going to call this service two. Again, copy that link, pop back up to the button and remove the link, paste in my new link. And you're just going to use the URL here. It will know what to do. And style this button so it matches the other, save and exit. Now, when we visit this page and we click service one, it's going to give us a smooth scroll down to service one, and same for service two. So anchor links just got a whole lot easier. Now, there are some things that you can't create anchor links to. So you can see here the supported sections, block sections, auto layouts, course sections, gallery sections, and video sections, but you can't add anchor links to the blog, events, portfolio, or store sections. But let's hop back in and let's go to our blog. And if we edit the blog here, you'll see that we scroll down, there is no option here to add an anchor link. So what to do? We're going to add a blank section and we're going to make it as small as possible. And we're going to color it the same as the section below. And now we can go back and add our anchor link here, blog, and copy that. So save and exit. So now it doesn't look like it's a separate section, but it is, and it has an anchor link. So if you need a workaround for types of sections that aren't supported, this is what I'd recommend. If you found this helpful, please give it a like or drop a comment below, as that helps other people find my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.